Hello class, very beautiful morning to all of you. Welcome to online lecture from St. Thomas High School, Mahua. So today we'll study unit number 8, that is healing herbs. So in last lecture we have studied 7th unit, that is Robinson Crusoe. All activity we have completed. So I think you all have written in your fair notes. And if you have not written, please write in it. So we will continue with our unit number 8, that is healing herbs. Activity number 1. A science fair is going to be held in Gandhinagar for children of your age. So science fair is held in Gandhinagar. Science fair. I think you all know about science fair because in last year or before last year also, science fair is held in our school, St. Thomas School. So you know that all have to participate and bring different presentation of science in that science fair. Okay, so it is to be held in Gandhinagar. Asmi would like to participate in it. Now what Asmi want to participate in science fair? She decided to take with her self-prepared herb booklet. She decided I will what? Prepare a self-herb booklet with her. Dhruvi was trying to sharpen her pencil with a blade when she cut her finger and it started bleeding. Now one girl named Dhruvi was trying to sharpen a pencil, sharpening a pencil. Then what? It get hurt and started bleeding from that. Then what? Her mother bought a pinch of turmeric powder and applied in it over the wound. She is getting bleeding over here. So her mother brought a pinch of turmeric powder and applied in it and pressed it like that. You have to press it. So the bleeding was controlled. Dhruvi asked her mother why she applied turmeric powder on the wound. Then Dhruvi thought, why turmeric powder? Turmeric powder, you know, haldi. So she thinks, why turmeric powder? Her mother replied, my mother uses turmeric powder whenever we hurt. Her mother replied that my mother was also using turmeric powder for any wound when it got hurt. Later on I read in the magazine that turmeric powder acts as a good antiseptic. Then Dhruvi's mother told that later on I have read in newspaper that it also acts as an antiseptic. Now Dhruvi, what is antiseptic, mother? What is the meaning of antiseptic? Well, I think an antiseptic is something that helps wound. That her mother thought that according to me, that she is thinking that antiseptic is what? That if you got hurt or any place, it will use as to heal wound. Okay. Now activity 2. Dhruvi meets a doctor. Hello Dr. Kalyani, how are you? Then Dhruvi said, hello Dr. Kalyani, how are you? What a pleasant surprise, Lakshmi, we are meeting after a long time. Then she said, what a pleasant surprise, we are meeting for a long time. It is nice Dhruvi is also come with you. So Lakshmi is the name of her mother. So Dr. Kalyani is telling, it is nice that Dhruvi is also come with you. My mother says turmeric is an antiseptic, is that so? Then Dhruvi is asking question to Dr. Kalyani that my mother said turmeric is used as an antiseptic. It is but right or wrong, like that. Was Dhruvi next question? Yes, it is. Then Dr. Kalyani said yes, it is. Has no hesitation in replying. Hesitation means you have feeling nervous. That your teacher is asking something, answer and you are getting nervous that what I will do, teacher, what I will speak, like that. You are getting hesitation. Here no hesitation. Means doctor said yes, it is, with confidence. Okay. Doctor, can you tell me more about the turmeric plant? Then she is telling, doctor, can you tell me more about this turmeric plant? Which are its other uses? Which are its other uses? First is used as antiseptic cream. Then which are the other uses? Which science deal with the study of medical plant? Dhruvi listed her query. So science also deals with the medical plant. So Dhruvi listed that first, second, the queries. That what he has she has doubt. Like that, he listed a query. She listed a query. Nowadays, a botanist is dealing with the study of a few medical plants. Thus, the study of medical plant is known as a botany. Remember it. There is also the Indian system of medicine. So, two is there. One is Ayurveda and second is that coming to that medicine. Ayurveda means which we are getting from homes and herbs only. Now we will study about the Indian system. You mean Ayurveda? Dhruvi intervened means when Dr. Kalyan is speaking, she spoke in between. This is intervened. You mean Ayurveda? Yes, Ayurveda means the science of life. Kalyani replied, yes, Ayurveda means the science of life. Ayurveda deals with the prevention of cure of disease. Ayurveda deals with prevention of cure of disease means prevention means now COVID-19 is there, means coronavirus, right? So what doctors are telling no, that use hand wash, please wash 10 minutes, use mask, like that. This is prevention, that it does not lead to any diseases. So doctor is telling first prevention, that you do this so no disease can come to you, like that prevention and cure of disease through Ayurveda. One example I can give, we are drinking that ukala, no? So this is all made up of homemade only, that herbs, tulsi, this all the things in Ayurveda. So it is a science of life. Through Ayurveda, one can learn about the action of different herbs of various diseases. So every plant is there, has importance in it. So we can learn about which importance is there from which plant. Such study of herb is a part of our science. How does the turmeric act on a cold? Now then one question. How does turmeric act on a cold? You know that cold is a viral infection. Then Kalyani replied, cold is a viral infection. Turmeric has an antiviral effect. So now the second, first is antiseptic, second is antiviral effect. Okay. Indian women apply turmeric on their feet. Is there any reason behind this habit too? Now through Indian women are applying turmeric on their feet. Is there any reason that why they are applying in feet? Any reason is there? She is thinking and asking to Dr. Kalyani. Dr. Kalyani replied, yes, there is the most of the women work in water for a long time. So you can see also a mother is there washing clothes, washing utensils. She have to with her in water only. So her feet become infectious. So what? Turmeric is used. This can lead to infection of the feet. Means water is there. So what infection can be occur? So turmeric prevent infection. So what? It prevent infection. Hence women apply it on their feet. That's why women are applying to their feet this turmeric. Okay. Now I understood why some of the advertisement talk of turmeric in cream. Now Dhruvi said, now I understood that in advertisement turmeric is come. You have seen the advertisement. Vicco turmeric WSO cream. That advertisement is like that, no? In that also turmeric is there. Turmeric has many advantages. By using it, it has many qualities in it. So Dhruvi understood. Now, thank you doctor. You have given me so much information about common herbs and why they are used in our daily life. And she is thanking the doctor. You have given me very much knowledge about different herbs which are used in daily life. You also don't know about turmeric is there in your home. So you can get information from this chapter. Okay. Now we will study keywords. First is hesitation. To speak slowly because you feel nervous. To speak slowly when you are feeling nervous. Query a question that one asks when he or she has doubt about something. If you have queried about teacher, the teacher, this homework we have to write in her book or not, and then this is query, that means doubt. Intervenes means to interrupt when she or he is speaking. When person is speaking, you are interrupting. Teacher, this. Speaking in between, that is intervenes. Prevention means stopping something bad from happening. Okay. So we will keep up to keywords here. Okay. From next lecture, we will study activity number 3. Thank you.